Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Threads account password. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. To change your password on your Threads account, firstly, go ahead and launch/open your Threads application. The homepage of the Threads application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section of the Threads account. Tap on the two lines at the top right side of the page. Then, click on Account. Tap on Personal Information. Now, all you need to do is click on Password and Security option. Tap on Change Password. On the next page, enter your current password. Create a new password for your Threads account. Confirm your new password by re-entering it. Then tap on Change Password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change your password on Threads account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.